Hey friends, it's Sean with iwashyouDry.com, and today I'm partnering with Buitoni to show you this amazing olive and tortellini pasta salad. I'm using their Three Cheese Tortellini and I am so excited for this. This is just one of my favorite pasta dishes for the summer. It has loads of olives and salami and it comes together in minutes with an amazing dressing. Let me show you how it goes. The first thing we're gonna do is boil our Buitoni pasta, and it just cooks up in a few minutes. And I've got about 5 quarts of water with a tablespoon of olive oil boiling. So I'm just gonna pop this tortellini in and stir it until it's nice and al dente. Okay, while our tortellini are cooking, I'm gonna quickly make our dressing, which just consists of a half a cup of extra virgin olive oil. And I'm gonna mix it all up in this mason jar because it makes it so easy to come together. A 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar, 3 teaspoons of garlic, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, a 1/4 cup of finely grated Parmesan cheese, and 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped parsley. And I'm just gonna chop that real quick. That's good. All right, now you just add the lid, give it a little shake, and we're ready to go. I am gonna run some cool water over the tortellini to stop the cooking and cool them down so we can go ahead and add them to our pasta salad. All right, now I've got that cooled pasta added to my bowl, and I'm gonna add in 1½ cups of manzanilla olives that are stuffed with pimentos, and I've drained those, as well as about 1½ cups of black olives. My family loves olives. This is definitely a good salad. And then just about ½ pound of sliced salami. And then we're just gonna add in our cheesy dressing and give it all a mix, and you can pop this in the fridge and then it is ready to serve. And I coat everything. I love Buitoni tortellini, the cheese-filled tortellini, because it cooks so fast and it's found in the refrigerated section. So literally like 7 minutes of cook time. It's great for those last minute appetizers, sides, dinners, salads. It's great for so many different occasions. And look at how quickly that came together. Obviously, you could add in some extra cheese if you want, but since this is a cheese-filled tortellini, I didn't feel like we needed it. But you could add in some mozzarella. You could even add in some marinated artichoke hearts. My daughter loves marinated artichoke hearts. That's one of her favorites. Oh, that looks fantastic. I'm just breaking up the salami a little bit. There we go. Ooh. All right, how delicious. This is great for like a easy lunch or a side to like some grilled chicken, steak, whatever you want. But how quick did that come together, guys? I'm telling you, this is a fantastic pasta dish that you're gonna wanna serve all summer long. All right, guys, let's give this amazing olive and tortellini pasta salad a try. Cannot wait, it looks so good. Oh man. Woo. Okay, now the perfect bite has got to have a little bit of everything in it. So I'm going for that deliciously cooked Buitoni tortellini, olives, both black and green, and salami. Look at that. Mmm. Mmm. Truly the perfect bite. I'm telling you guys, this pasta salad is an excellent option for any meal that you have coming up. You are going to absolutely love it. It has the perfect blend of flavors with that dressing. Mwah! So good. I can't wait for you guys to check this out. Go ahead and head to iwashyouDry.com for the full recipe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.